Hi, this is a quick overview for staff on how to update their profile feature in the staff portal. So district staff, obviously we're here on the district website, and whatever page you go to, you're going to see that the for staff is accessible from every page on the site. So what you would do is go ahead and click on for staff, and that's going to take you to the SBISD employee portal. On the front, you're going to notice there's some resources and tools. We're still in production on the portal, so some of this may change, but there will be access to some tools that you won't necessarily have to log in to use, and those will be available here. And then the staff login, where you're going to enter your network credentials. The site is single sign-on, so you would use the same credentials that you use to log into the district website. If I was on the network, I wouldn't necessarily have to log in, but because I'm on the guest Wi-Fi right here, I'm going to go ahead and log in and get in to the site. So I'm in the portal, and again, we are in production on the portal, so some of this may change visually to how it's organized. The main thing that I want to show you today, because I know a lot of teachers will be adding their It's Learning links to their profile page because we want those accessible via the staff directory listing. How you're going to do that, here I'm logged in, and you see that I have a profile up here where I could elect to add a photo if I want to, but I can come down here and under profile and actually manage what's listed in my profile view. So if you click on, kind of hover over your image and then click on that profile link, it's going to open up a dialog box where you can actually make edits to your profile. And where you're going to want to make those edits, you can edit here in title number 2 and title number 3. If you make any edits in title number 1, those will be overwritten if the information is updated in our main database. So any modifications under title that you make, you want to make sure those are in title 2 or title 3. Our recommendation is if in title 1, most folks would have their school or location listed, to go ahead and maintain that. Obviously in Title 1, many folks, especially our teachers, is going to say teacher. Title 2 will say their campus location, and then Title 3 is where you would want to put information relative to your grade level or your subject area. So maybe you teach 5th grade and science. So in Title 3, you could go ahead and add that, and that's just an additional piece of information that you can include in the staff directory for your parents, and makes it a little bit easier for them as they're going through the staff directory listing. So that's one thing that you can modify in your profile. The other thing, which is really important, is right here where it says personal website. This is where, and by default, mine just has this placeholder text, but this is where you would want to add the URL for your It's Learning About Me page. So you would go and get that URL and copy and paste it into your personal website link right here, and then you would click to update your profile, and then that will make your title modification hold and the additional website that you've added hold. So that's just in a nutshell what you need to do to update that profile and to make the staff directory listing a little bit more robust for our users. So thank you for your time.